morning to one and all present here. Myself Parvati. I am a student of 11th standard. I am here in front of you to speak a few words on the topic euthanasia. Euthanasia is derived from a Greco-Roman term euthanize. The term euthanize means good death. Euthanasia is a condition where a person who is miserably suffering, who is in a miserable situation, wants to die because of his intolerable suffering. This is sometimes different from assisted suicide, where someone kills another person, where someone helps another person to kill themselves. Euthanasia is of the few types: voluntary euthanasia, non-voluntary euthanasia, involuntary euthanasia, passive euthanasia, and active euthanasia. Voluntary euthanasia. Voluntary euthanasia is a condition where a person seeks help from the others in order to put himself or herself into death. Non-voluntary euthanasia is a condition where a person is not able to say whether he wants to die or not. For example, putting himself in a coma stage. Involuntary euthanasia is a condition where a person is killed against his wishes. Now let me move on to passive euthanasia. Passive euthanasia is a condition where a person is allowed to die. Sometimes they might not be provided with food or water. Sometimes they may be rejected from the medical treatment. Now let me move on to the active euthanasia. Active euthanasia is a condition where a person deliberately or purposefully kills himself or put himself into death. For example, providing a patient with an injection of drug which will kill himself or herself. Euthanasia is illegal in most of the countries, but in some countries it is allowed. For example, Belgium and Netherlands. The countries where it is permitted, it is tightly regulated, and it is only permitted in the case if the patient is terminally ill. Now let me move on to the positive sides of euthanasia. To tell about the positive sides, euthanasia, if a person is terminally ill, he or she should be given the legal right to die. He or she should decide whether he wants to die or not. All people have the right to be born. All people have the right to live. All people must also be given the right to die. A patient should not be forced or pressurized, and you should not put them in agony due to the fact that others disagree with the ideas of euthanasia. Euthanasia has been legalized in most of the countries. Now let me tell you about the negative sides of euthanasia. To tell about the negative sides, if euthanasia is promoted, then there is an extreme possibility of misuse by the doctors as well as family members. The doctors may also go to any extent in order to kill the patients. A common person may also take the laws in their hands in order to kill their own family members. It also arises due to the enmity between the people. Now let me tell you about the legal aspects of euthanasia. To tell about the legal aspects, according to the circumstances, euthanasia is regarded as manslaughter or murder, and it is punishable under law with a maximum penalty of life imprisonment. Assisted suicide is illegal in terms of the Suicide Act 1961, and it is also punishable under law with a maximum penalty of 14 years of life imprisonment. But killing one's own self is not a criminal act in itself. Now I want to conclude by saying that euthanasia is a continuing controversy. Euthanasia is a matter of continuing controversy, a tinderbox of debate. People have a wide range of opinions on this issue, which includes guarded acceptance of euthanasia, overright rejection of euthanasia, enthusiastic advocacy of euthanasia. There are a set of people who vehemently condemns the euthanasia, and sometimes they equate it with the genocide, murder, or even worse than that. I am convinced that honest people may differ in their opinion, and I believe our country will take an appropriate decision on this issue in the coming days. Thank you.